Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on this Mitsubishi Sport. So what was actually wrong with this car? It has misfire, and after a long diagnosing and inspection on this car, I found out there was misfire on the coil in this spark plug coils. This is a V6 engine, Mitsubishi, and it was the problem was coming from this spark plug. If you can see, you have like a leak, so like electrical touching, like electric components, electric component leaking from here, so it's like touching the casing. So the work done on this car is going to be what I identified on this car was the spark plug needing to place it changing, because that this is the essence of why the car was misfiring, and also the seals are leaking as well, leaking oil, and I'm going to change them as well by losing the top gasket head, moving the top covers, and also these my parts straight from the dealers. Yeah, so I'll just take it step by step how to work on it. First, you need to move the top manifold, which is off. And I have to like move the rocker covers, clean them properly, put them in, and I'll take it through how I did it step by step. It's not pretty hard job, probably maximum 3 hours, 2 hours, you're done with it. And then like I said, I go for quality excellence my work, and keep on subscribing to my channel to learn more how to work on cars, in cars. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, keep tuned and I'll show you. So first of all, you need this top cover, and also lose this other one as well, because the V6 engine. So basically I've moved everything, so just need to move this bolt, the cover as well from here, and this one as well, and that one as well. So all the rocker covers have been moved, and the other side as well is all gone out. So next bit is just to clean. Is to clean all this bit, make it clean perfectly, because if you don't clean it, then putting new seal in is gonna cause leaks again, probably when you're driving on it on a mile. So proper is to do like a proper job, clean all these bits, clean them proper, then change the seals, change all the seals, and the other one as well, clean it proper. So next up, we need to clean the injector holes. You can see all these ones are dirty. Clean them dry, then put in your spark plug in. Also clean the side as well, same with this other side. Yeah, just try to clean properly, then put in the new cover in, new sealing, everything in. Yeah, so you can see it's cleaned, all cleaned, and the other one as well, all cleaned. Now is to put the cover back, slate up, then from there side goes on, like start it up, then see the new coils in. So the silicone all seals are in. You can see 3 seals at the top of the cylinder. They need to be washed for this bit. You just have to put a little bit of silicone, and you just put the cover back in. Yeah, same with the other side, all cleaned. Now seals on. You can see then the silicone is in. You can see. So next is just to put the cover in, and yeah, pretty much. So the injectors are and the spark plugs are in, the coils are all in, also this and the other 3 side for this, and the inlet manifold is in. So there's a gasket there, so I didn't change that, so I just had to add a little bit of, put the old one in, that add a little bit of silicone, then put it with the bolts all screwed in. Also in the back, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and one just, yeah, goes to the throttle mount. So all it needs to do is just to put in the sensors and the wires as well for the throttle mount, sensors, airflow, measure the airflow, intake manifold, and also for this aside as well, sensor for the inside. Then we'll see, then we'll start it up and we'll see if it's gonna stay misfire as well. Yeah, now it's completely finished. It's done. So nice to just start it up, then we'll see how it's gonna go. Yeah.